Guys, got another quick Supreme unboxing. Already got this one started here, so that just came in. I have not actually opened it, so let's see what the nice people from Supreme sent me. And just one thing in this pack, and oh my god, this looks awesome. It looks even better than it looked like in the renderings. This is the Supreme New Era MLB collaboration. This is a hat in navy. This is a size 7 5/8, which is my size, and I really like it. I mean, this was like the must-have item from this collaboration for me. Of course, I would have loved to have had the jacket, but that was basically unobtainium. But I was able to manually get this item, and it's a fitted cap, and I know most people don't like it, but people that know definitely know it. So I feel blessed to have been able to get this item, and I'm going to wear it proudly. It has every MLB team on the cap, and the quality looks to be just really good. Let's see if I got any stickers in here with this, and it looks like I did. I got a box logo sticker. Okay, that's cool, always appreciated. Then I got, wow, okay, that's scary. This is from the My Bloody Valentine collaboration, but not exactly sure where I'm going to be putting this sticker. And oh, awesome! I got another My Bloody Valentine sticker, so that's a first for me. I'm really excited about this hat, and I'm glad I got a good sticker pack. And I hope to catch y'all guys soon on another video. Thank you.